हेलो एस्पिरेंट्स, आई वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन द यूट्यूब चैनल ऑफ एनालिस्ट आईएएस। हमारा आज का टॉपिक फोकस ऑफ द डे डिस्कशन के लिए है द विंडसॉर फ्रेमवर्क। वी विल सी व्हाई इन यूज, देन वी विल सी अंडरस्टैंड द ज्योग्राफी ऑफ द रीजन। हम देखेंगे ग्रेट ब्रिटेन और यूनाइटेड किंगडम में क्या डिफरेंस है। देन वी विल सी व्हाट वाज द नॉर्दर्न आयरलैंड प्रोटोकॉल, उसके साथ इश्यूज क्या क्या थे। देन विंडसॉर फ्रेमवर्क क्या है, विंडसॉर फ्रेमवर्क के आउटकम्स क्या रहेंगे। देन वी विल कम टू आवर टुडेस प्रीलिम्स एंड द मेंस प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन एज वेल। सो वी विल स्टार्ट. Why in news? Recently, United Kingdoms and the European Union have reached an agreement on the post-Brexit trade rules for the Northern Ireland, with the goal of eliminating the border between Britain and Northern Ireland that runs through the Irish Sea. The Republic of Ireland remained in the European Union after the Brexit caused trade complications, which United Kingdom's Conservative government ironed out with the Northern Ireland Protocol. First, we will see the background of the issue. So, there is a difference between Great Britain and United Kingdoms. Great Britain consists of the Scotland, England and the Wales. United Kingdom consists of the Great Britain plus the Northern Ireland. And here the Republic of Ireland is a part of European Union. Now, what is the Northern Ireland Protocol? After the United Kingdoms left the European Union, Northern Ireland remained its only constituent that shared a land border with the European Union member, the Republic of Ireland. Since the European Union and the United Kingdoms have different product standards, border checks would be necessary before the goods could be moved from the Northern Ireland to the Ireland. But यहाँ पे इनको भेजना थोड़ा सा cumbersome process होता था, काफी पॉलिटिकल और सोशल इश्यूज के लिए। इसीलिए पहले गुड्स यूनाइटेड किंगडम से नॉर्दर्न आयरलैंड में चेक होके आते थे, देन नॉर्दर्न आयरलैंड से आयरलैंड में जाते थे। दिस वाज द प्रीवियस प्रोटोकॉल व्हिच इज आल्सो नोन एज द नॉर्दर्न आयरलैंड प्रोटोकॉल। नाउ द नॉर्दर्न आयरलैंड प्रोटोकॉल वाज एग्रीड अपॉन एज अ पार्ट ऑफ ब्रेक्सिट। अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रोटोकॉल, द नॉर्दर्न आयरलैंड वुड रिमेन अ पार्ट ऑफ द यूरोपियन यूनियन सिंगल मार्केट फॉर गुड्स एंड ऑपरेट अंडर द यूरोपियन यूनियंस कस्टम रूल्स। Northern Ireland is a part of UK, but it will follow the European Union custom rules. The protocol was implemented by creating a customs border between the Northern Ireland and the United Kingdoms. What were the issues with the Northern Ireland protocol? First of all, there was a resource wastage and it was very time consuming as well. The checks made trade between Great Britain and the Northern Ireland very cumbersome, with products losing out on the shelf life while they waited for the clearance. Then there was system of taxation. Some taxation and spending policies of the UK government could not be implemented in the Northern Ireland because of the European Union rules. The sale of the medicines was caught between British and the EU rules. Then there is the stand of unionists who believe that if a product is going in the UK region, then it should not follow the rules of other regions like European Union. Now, what is the Windsor Framework? Framework has replaced the Northern Ireland Protocol, but it have two crucial aspects. First is the introduction of the green lane and the red lane. Then there is the Stormont Break. We will see both. So, first of all, what is the green lane and the red lane? The products which have to remain in the Northern Ireland will go through a green lane, जिसमें काफी कम कस्टम्स चेक्स होंगे। नेक्स्ट, जिन प्रोडक्ट्स को आइलैंड में जाना है, दे विल गो थ्रू द रेड लेन इन विच देयर वुड बी फुल कस्टम प्रोसीजर्स। सो दिस हैव बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड। नाउ देयर इज अ कंपैरिजन। अर्लियर there was a barrier between the Northern Ireland and the UK. If a product goes from the UK to the Northern Ireland, it have to be checked at this border, then it can go to the Republic of Ireland. But now there are two lanes. First is the green lane for the products which are supposed to be in the Northern Ireland. There is the red lane which have to go through in the Republic of Ireland. Now, what is the Stormont Break? The Stormont Break, it means the democratically elected Northern Ireland Assembly can oppose new European Union goods rules that would have significant and lasting effects on everyday lives in the Northern Ireland. For this, they will need support of 30 members from at least two parties, and the British government can then veto the law. What are the outcomes of the new framework? With the Windsor Framework, UK hopes to improve trade and other ties with the European Union. The deal has allowed the Sunak to do away to end the Northern Ireland Protocol Bill, which was introduced by his predecessor Boris Johnson. The bill involved the UK government reneging on the process it made to the EU to follow the protocol, or to end on the process. It renounced the promise actually. Now we will come to our today's prelims practice question, that which of the following statements are true. First, Northern Ireland is a part of the Great Britain, Northern Ireland is a part of the UK, Northern Ireland is a part of European Union, and Northern Ireland is still a part of the Republic of Ireland. You can pause the video, try to answer. So basically the answer to this is second, Northern Ireland is a part of UK. That was the basic difference between UK and the Great Britain. We understood that. Now we will come to our today's mains practice question, that what is the Windsor Framework recently seen in the news? What was the need and the outcomes of this new framework? This was all about today's video. Thank you. Have a nice day and stay tuned for the next topic.